We have already grasped the three properties of logarithms. The change of base formula is also one of these properties. This law states log of x to the base y is equals to log of x to the base a divided by log of y to the base a. Observe how this changed into the quotient of two logs. This x is the argument and y is the base, right? But on the right side, log in the numerator has the same argument and we assign another base, and log in the denominator has argument y, which was base on the left side, and assign the same base as in the numerator. They both should have the same base, but this base should be greater than 0 and is not equal to -1. So, log of x to the base y is equals to log of x to any base divided by log of y to the same base. Now the question is, what base should we assign in the change of base formula? Well, this formula mostly comes into action when we try to solve logarithms through calculator. Like if I want to solve log of 9 to the base 3 using calculator, I cannot put this value in calculator directly. So here I have to use change of base formula. Scientific calculators only have two logs. Log to the base 10, which is called common log, and log to the base e called natural log, also written as ln. Now come back to the question. Log of 9 to the base 3. By applying formula, it will becomes log of 9 to the base e divided by log of 3 to the base e. The argument is written in the numerator, the base in the denominator, and a common base is chosen as e. Now hold your scientific calculator. This calculator has two buttons related to log. Log to the base 10 and natural log. As we here use natural log, so first enter numerator value. Natural log of 9 gives us approximately 2.1972. So we write 2.1972 in numerator. The denominator we have natural log of 3. That gives approximately 1.0986. We write it in the denominator. Now this value can easily be calculated using calculator. 2.1972 divided by 1.0986 gives us 2. Now some students might think that instead of using natural log, we could use common log. Yes, we can. Let's use common log now to see whether it gives the same answer or not. Remember, log of 10 can also be written as just log. They both are same. So log of 9 to the base 3 is equals to log of 9 to the base 10 divided by log of 3 to the base 10. Log of 9 is approximately 0.9542 and log of 3 is approximately 0.4771. Now 0.9542 divided by 0.4771 gives us 2. It is same and has to be same. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me in the comments. I will answer in the upcoming videos. If you like the video, please like and subscribe.